What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I want to show you how to take a home tour video, whether your property is for sale or rent. Easier for you next time, okay? You can pass the agents to sell or rent. So let's start, alright? So first make sure you've already on the lights, aircon, everything. Make it bright. Make sure the first thing you must do is to make it very, very bright. And you notice that I'm just taking a vertical video for this. Most people will just take phone while vertical like this. This is how you do it, okay? So the key here is to take in one go. Let me show you. We start with from the door. So you can start from here. Owners, you do not have to talk. You don't have to talk, you don't have to show your face. You just show the home tour video. The agents will know where to put, like living room, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, no problem, okay? You just tell them 3 room, 2 bathroom, they know how to label themselves in the video. This goes out to agents. Agents, if you do home tour video, make sure your face is inside, like what I'm doing now. Make sure your face is inside because your face is the brand. You also don't allow people to steal your videos. If you can, do your own voiceover, but nowadays you use a lot of music, right? Make sure your face is inside if you're an agent. If you're an agent, your face must be inside, okay? So let's start. So that's it. The home tour is about 1.5 minutes, and if you are doing high rise, like 3 bedrooms, it shouldn't take so long. 1.5 minutes enough for you. Agents, once you receive this video from the owner, please don't just upload just like that, okay? Put like your name and phone number, your face, like I mentioned just now. You can put your face inside, edit there, put inside, and then put your phone number, put some sound effects to show a little bit of things. And then if you come here, you got photos, you got your own videos of the facilities, you can also put a little bit here and there. Just make sure you edit it, that's what I'm trying to say. Don't upload the whole raw without your face or more, okay? Your phone number and without your face and without your phone number. So that's it. I hope it helps. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye-bye.